Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Allah has always sent prophets one after another to guide humanity. The last prophet was Prophet Muhammad, and there will be no prophet after him. But the guidance needs to continue. Thus, Allah appointed imams after prophets to sustain this. An imam is also appointed for guidance like prophets, so many characteristics are similar. There are 3 things that distinguish imam from other people. An imam is a born scholar, and his knowledge is always superior than any human being living at that time. He does not do any mistakes. Number 2. An imam is also infallible like prophets. Number 3. An imam is appointed by Allah. Our Prophet appointed his cousin and son-in-law Hazrat Ali on the order of Allah. He is our first imam, and after him there are 11 imams appointed by Allah from his progeny. The significant difference between prophets and imams are that prophets bring Sharia law, and imams sustain and protect that Sharia law. Our job is to get guidance from them and follow their footsteps in every walk of life.